Hi everyone, today is May 1st and it's the opening day of trails here in the Columbine Ranger District. And this is a kind of a monumental epic day because this is Sam's
first trail.
Yeah,
my first trail to ride.
He's been on the turn track, he's been practicing and riding, and this is the first day that he's going to take his dirt bike on the Forest Service road. This should do the job. It's a KTM 50. It's a 2004 model. It's an adventure model, so it's air cooled. It's perfect for these trails. His tires are small, so he's gonna have to really watch where he goes and watch where the rocks are. But the roads we're going on now is called First Notch. These are very beginner trails or fire service roads, so they're big and wide, so you can kind of pick where you go. There's no big elevation gains or drops or anything crazy that we're expecting. We're ready to ride. Sam's having a little bit of trouble here. He's got the stock jetting in and he keeps giving it full throttle and it's flooding the bike. He'll later figure out to kind of ease into the throttle so he doesn't flood it. This is First Notch number 1 trail. As you can see, it's been cleared out pretty well by a bulldozer. They're logging this currently, so a whole logging crew's been up here. Coming up, we meet the forest ranger. They're actively closing the gates, so the trucks can't come back up anymore, and it's just the OHV trails now. This is a really easy beginner trail to start on, so if you're in the Pagosa or Durango area, check these out. It's good to get kids on. The 50cc did excellent out here. There was one little hill we had to push him up just because it was a little rocky, but all in all, it was fun. This trail network is fairly extensive. It starts off, the First Notch parking area is by the Beaver River along Highway 160. What'd the Forest Service person say?
They're closing the gate.
So we're dealing with a little bit of graupel.
It's snowing. I thought it was hailing for real quick, but it's snowing. Snowballs.
May 1st in Colorado. What do you expect? Stop. You can hear it hit your helmet.
Oh.
How do you like it?
Oh, nice. It's easy once you know. It's pretty nice.
You like it better than your four-wheeler?
Yeah. Actually, my four-wheeler's broken. So, yeah.
What's with the yellow on the side of your helmet?
Oh, that's tape.
Why?
Because this can't move, so this can't move around.
Oh. Oh.
Who put that on there?
Silas! Silas put it on.
This trail system does have more advanced trails like Rocky Canyon and the Jungle. Those are fun ones to seek out. They're more centrally located in the network. And there's also Baldy Loop that opens up later in the year and goes up higher in elevation on Mount Baldy. If you're coming from Durango, the best way to access this trail network system is Beaver Meadows. You can turn down Beaver Meadows Road and get into the Forest Service that way. If you're coming from Pagosa Springs, First Notch Trailhead is the closest access point to this network.
I should have worn a face mask.
May weather can be unpredictable in Colorado. As you can see, our green trail is quickly turning white.
This weather is wild. You have fun?
Yeah.
Do you like the rain?
Yeah. It's hailing, actually.
Yeah. Did it hurt? Did it hit your face?
No, yeah, like it went do everywhere. It hurt.
It's interesting, May 1st. We had lots of grackle. That was fun though. We're in the truck, warming up, trying to decide if we
should stay.
want to go around 2 or not.
I want to stay. That was fun. I liked it.
Do you want to go tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is it fun?
Yeah, very fun.
It's the funnest thing
Once
ever.
you know, it's the funnest thing ever.
Once you know.
Once the first trail you ride, it's very fun. It's very fun.
That's what I want to hear. Well, we started at 10 a.m. or just after 10 a.m. and it was about 62 degrees. That storm that came in, it's now 47 degrees and it's noon, so we had a couple hours of fun. We're trying to decide if we want to stick it out or load them up and try again tomorrow. I think we're going to try again tomorrow. Well, that pretty much concludes our adventure. We got out, got the dirt bikes off the trailer, got them around a few trails. The storm came in, so now we're headed home.